Easy and pretty flower crafts with tissue paper for swooshes. Fold tissue paper in half twice. Press circular marks with the bottom of a paper cup. Cut some circles. Dot the edges with watercolor pencils. Roll the clay into a teardrop shape and flatten it. Poke the paper towel into the clay with a bamboo skewer. Use the bamboo skewer as a branch. Spray some water on the flowers and they will bloom. Isn't it amazing? Stick a message on them and they'll look great. You can also use colored paper as a wrapping. Try this simple and heartfelt Mother's Day craft yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Happy Mother's Day!